Welcome to the future of skincare. At Skin Functional, we are excited to introduce our brand new skin analysis machine, a breakthrough in understanding your skin on a deeper level. With advanced technology, we can now look beyond the surface to uncover what your skin truly needs, helping us create a personalized skincare journey designed just for you. Because when you know your skin better, you treat it better, and that's how real results begin. The machine analyzes 4 major symptoms with 30 detection dimensions. 1. Analysis of aging, which includes forehead lines, dorsal nasal lines, lines around the eyes, crow's feet, and nasolabial folds. Number 2. Sensitive analysis. Acne, redness, acne rosacea, and barrier. Number 3. Pigment analysis. Moles, freckles, acne marks, spots. Number 4. Skin quality analysis. Pores, porphyrin, wrinkles, moisture. We have 17 test indicators: hydration, pores. Under negative polarized light source, it is possible to check if enlarged pores have formed on the skin surface. The algorithm uses RBX technology to display areas with enlarged pores in the skin by deepening the color of the pores. The pores in the facial skin can be seen more clearly and intuitively through the form of data. Pore clogging refers to the pores on the surface of the skin being blocked, which prevents sebum from being discharged normally, accompanied by the accumulation of stratum corneum and the dirt. This phenomenon usually manifests itself in the form of blackheads, whiteheads, or acne, and in severe cases, it may lead to skin problems such as acne and folliculitis, blackheads, lipids, sensitivity, acne, wrinkles. The texture of the skin surface can be viewed under a positive polarized light source. The wrinkle image shows the roughness of the skin texture, such as large pores, dry lines, fine lines, and wrinkles. It can be used as reference for judging the fineness of the skin and the loss of collagen. The algorithm identifies the lines of the facial skin and marks the distribution of the 5 parts of the skin wrinkles: head-up lines, nose-back lines, peri-eye lines, crow's tail lines, decree lines, with a green short line. The more intermittent lines, the rougher the skin. You can see the wrinkles more clearly and intuitively through the form of data: mixed spots, superficial pigmentation, porphyrin. The brick red fluorescent spots in the picture are Propionibacterium acnes and Malassezia. These 2 bacteria will aggravate the occurrence of skin acne, so they can be used as a basis for judging skin acne. Through the form of data, the situation of porphyrin can be seen more clearly and intuitively. The living environment of Propionibacterium acnes and Malassezia must have oil, so they can be used as a basis for judging the accumulation of oil in the skin pores. Collagen. Under polarized light, we can assess the loss of collagen on the skin surface. Mixed light images reveal skin texture issues such as enlarged pores, dry lines, fine lines, and wrinkles. They serve as a reference for evaluating skin smoothness and collagen loss. In mixed light images, a higher number of discontinuous lines indicates rougher skin texture and more severe collagen loss. The sensitive process is more clearly and intuitively reflected in the form of data: fluorescent agents. Deep pigment. The green color of the whole face in the picture in Wood's light. And the color is not analyzed for problems. The purple area in the facial comprehensive spot area identified by the algorithm and marked with a polygonal curve. Through the form of data, the situation of deep pigment can be seen more clearly and intuitively. The dark, black, brown, block or dot skin that appears on the face is a display of skin pigmentation, such as melasma, freckles, Muller spots, inflammatory pigmentation, acne marks, hemoglobin aggregation, etc. The pigmentation in deep layers of the skin can be compared with the sensitivity to determine whether it is an inflammatory hemoglobin accumulation or a spot problem. Brown pigment. The depth of the overall brown color of the skin is mainly related to the skin's color. People with darker skin or more hemoglobin have darker overall pigmentation. The areas with heavier pigmentation in the image are most likely those with higher pigment concentration density. Through the form of data, the brown pigment can be seen more clearly and intuitively. Sensitive thermogram, pigment thermogram, sensitive Roubaix map. So how do you take advantage of this powerful machine? All you need to do is head on over to www.skinfunctional.com and book a free skin analysis session with us. Then arrive at your appointment time and we will complete the analysis together. Afterwards, you will receive a full product recommendation and start your journey to beautifully healthy, glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.